Yo guys, I hope you all have had a good week as usual. I've already recorded the entire video. I was just coming on here to quickly mention the Discord. I mentioned it in the previous video, but now it's like up and running. We've had a few people join, so thank you so much for that. Hope to see you over there. This video is already really long, so I'm not going to keep you here too long. In fact, I'll just send you over there now. Hope you enjoy the trade. Alright, yo guys, just thought I'd hop on to do a quick analysis. This is a EJ 15 minute. It's actually giving a beautiful wick entry right now, but I won't get break of candle for another 4 minutes up here, so I'll have to wait for that. But what I see is higher time frames are all extremely bullish right now. You see this, 1 hour, extremely bullish, you know, following trend currently. 15 minute, yeah, we have this high probability demand. If you scale down to the 5, it is a low probability as it got mitigated like pretty quickly. But it's just wicked in on the 15 minute. Could maybe get an aggressive here, but we see clear fair value gap waypoints above. The only thing I'm kind of skeptical of is the fact we are sitting on liquidity. It's not loads and loads of liquidity, but I mean, down here and then these two matched price. So yeah, we're sitting on sell side, but I think I would be confident, you know, 200 is below, you know, very bullish. We are sitting quite high, but I don't see why this wouldn't want to go up. So I'm very confident on this, and if it gives a good break of candle in 2.5 minutes, then we're going to get in. So I'll see you then if it does want to hit. Something else that I quickly thought I would mention about this setup, which, I don't know, makes me a tiny bit more skeptical, is these lows were broken by this massive bear run. I mean, not massive, but you know what I mean. But made a minor here, especially on like the 5 minute, made like a minor and broke already, and it didn't really make lows to any of these. So once again, feel like it's going to go up, so kind of fills me with confidence. So once again, 5 minutes broken, but I'm not looking for a 5 minute break. I'm going to wait on this 15 minute break, stay disciplined. Doubt I'm going to take it all the way up to the waypoints up here. It's good that there's something else in our direction. Okay, so it has closed. I mean, this candle's starting off bearish, but hope it can break candle sometime soon. This rejection is obviously preferable. I really like the look of it. It does fill me with confidence. Already said that, but just kind of ticking off all of my checklists here. So yeah, trend 200 waypoints. I mean, as you see up here, all it has to give is a break of candle. I also did have this 5 minute Euro USD trade as we're breaking highs and shit, but I didn't like overall market structure, like on the 1 hour, extremely bearish, so I think I'm gonna leave that one. I'm only hopping on 5 minutes so I can zoom in more for like a more sniper entry type shit, but yes, it's still the same setup. So that is given entry. Sorry I don't have all of those MetaTrader like entry position sounds, but I feel like that's like a staple of a live trading video. But yeah, right now it's kind of playing, but let's hope we can get a good push up sometime soon. May need to bring this down for, you know, like a possible retest, but I have somewhat over leveraged on this, so increasing that risk. I believe I'll likely only take it up to here and make a new high on the 15 minute, not get greedy, as I feel like that's how I've lost quite a few of my previous trades, such as that GJ. Spreads are pretty tragic on this. As you see, we're already pretty high and we're only getting out of drawdown, even though I did get in on break of candle, but we're on a prop firm, so I know how they can be. We're seeing some pretty fucking good pushes right now. I'm aware that the next candle may want to bring it back. You try and scare some people. That's usually what happens on 5 minute. Oh, I am on 5 minute. I'm not too sure how the 15 minute would look. Not going to bring to break even anytime soon. And hope it can just fucking beeline to my TP like it kind of has been. Believe maybe the next 15-minute candle. It's still got 5 minutes, so I'm aware that this may be a longer trade. I don't usually trade 15-minute, especially not 15-minute break of candles. Usually I find a 15-minute and then scale down to the 5-minute. This is usually the candle that tries to scare. We're gonna remain, I don't know what word to use. If it does break below here, that will be an exit. Clearly, because if it's breaking market structure to the downside before making a high, I don't see much chance of it making a new high up here, you know what I mean? I believe like it did here, made a new high and then came and tested zone. Hopefully this remains high probability. Not sure if we would want to mitigate on the next candle. That's why I'm saying that this may take longer than most trades. Might have to go get a drink or some shit. Like the look of it. I'm now going to check news. I know there isn't any news at like 12:30 or 1. I'll check 1:30. It's EURJPY, so even USD news shouldn't really affect it. But let me check anyway. 19th. Only 3 PM. So yeah, that's fine. Be like a 1.3 to 1. Don't really want to hold it any higher than here. So only 30 seconds of this 15-minute candle left. So we'll see how the next one wants to open. And you know how these motherfuckers go. It's a pretty nice open, to be fair. I mean, it's not really going anywhere, but it's in our direction, which you can never hate. These fucking markets are listening to me, swear to God. Which you can never hate. Shut your ass up. So how I usually trade is I enter with 3 positions. I recently learned that on MetaTrader, even if you enter in 1 position, you can still close partials. But what I may do, close 2 positions and try and leave a runner. 5 minutes now testing 200, so we'll see what it wants to do. Looks like it's fucking pushing through, but let's see if any top wicks form, anything like that. I've taken my TP off for 1 of the positions, so that will be our runner. Because when we go to the 15-minute, we see that as the wick into this zone has formed another high probability 15-minute. I'm kind of betting on it's going to make a new high, and then retest, and then make a new high. I can't predict that. I'm just kind of waffling, but I'm going to leave a runner, and that's something that I'll have to come back to later. I do see this high probability 5-minute supply, so we'll see what price wants to do. It's given a good rejection off that. You know, 200's in favor, but counter trend, I don't know if it will hold. I hope it doesn't, obviously. Fucking pushing through, you know, gaining some volatility around this zone. I mean, considering it's all to the upside is good. I'm gonna go get a drink because I hate seeing rejections off of a zone against me. So yeah, I'll be a couple minutes. Great, that zone is still holding. It's been like 2 minutes. Even though the zone is holding against me, it hasn't given a lower break. Obviously this candle, we'll see if it wants to break down here. I'm still going to hold, obviously not going to get out break even, but it'll make me a lot more confident if it breaks again to the upside without breaking lower candle. You know how much I hate EJ right now. I'm like, what are you doing, brother? Why would this zone hold? Like, realistically, I see this, and I see this hasn't broken market structure to the downside. So I'm not going to get scared about that against me when I have a higher time frame, stronger zone with a break of structure, and a higher time frame 200 EMA in my direction type shit. Big up pomegranate seeds. They're pretty good. 5 minute has actually closed above 200 EMA. It has previously, so that probably indicates that even the 5 minute is going to want to go up. So I don't really think there's much against me right now. You know, I'm kind of chill, kind of zen. It just makes it slower when there's a high probability zone against you. I need to find some royalty-free music that I actually like, because silence when looking at this is killing me. Don't like how it's broken candle against me, but once again I've kind of convinced myself that it's not really going to go anywhere. It's just probably going to be a fake out for them. God motherfucking damn, I wish I had something else to do right now. Something I should know about 15-minute trades is that literally 3 candles is almost a lifetime. Finally some fucking buying power. I feel like we've just been going down for like 10 minutes. Just not the best to see. I strongly believe that we don't want to go down here. Probability game, and I have more probabilities in my favor. I'm gonna go get a fork because I feel like I'm eating these pomegranates so like zestily. Oh, okay, maybe I'll stay. After seeing that, yeah, fuck however I eat pomegranates. That stopped everyone out of that fucking trade. Don't see why, and you can't just fucking smash it. Smash TP, get out of 2 positions, leave a runner, because higher time frame uptrends, shit like that. Let's just make it happen, please. Please! Bro. Bro, no way that shit is holding. Don't know if the market knows what it's doing or if it's just fucking like playing right now. Shits and giggles or whatever. It's close, but it's not close enough yet. In the next 5 minutes, we'll see how this candle actually wants to close. I mean, if we break this to the upside, I don't really see what's stopping us, you know what I'm saying? Trust, that's gonna hit. Trust me, guys. I think, to be fair, I might just get out of all positions up here. I am trying to get a video out for you guys, and I'm not looking to fucking intraday whatever the fuck trade. I am a scalper, and it's been like 45 minutes, I want to say. That's gonna beat me out. Yeah, I don't know, I'm feeling good about that. That's the first win on this account somehow. You know, markets have been playing with me a little bit. Pleased about that. Did over leverage. Could have held higher probably. We'll see. I might do analysis a little later so we actually see what price action does after this. But all in all, I think I remained disciplined. Held through that 5 minute zone, which was a good demonstration on how you just have to believe in your analysis and don't look at, you know, what's against you. Just look at what you're trading off and what's in your favor. So yeah, I'll see you guys later on for all of that. Okay, so it's now actually Sunday. The trade was Friday, and it is just here, this EJ. I've already done a pretty good analysis on it, so I'm just more here to talk about what actually happened after I closed. So this is my entry, this is my zone, 15 minute. I closed at this like liquidity just to make a new high pretty much, because that's what price does, obviously. I predicted that this was also going to form a high probability zone, which it did. Gave another wick in. Stop loss would have been under this wick, and you know how it goes. I mean, a 1-to-1 did actually get hit. So if I wanted to hold this trade, it would have been good. But like I said, this would have been at least 2 hours. And considering I'm used to like 10-minute trades, I'm fine with leaving it at my initial 1-to-1. I just hate the concept of walking away from a trade not knowing what's going on. I don't know, that's just weird to me. But yeah, you've already seen all of the analysis. Overall uptrend. 5 minute was currently bearish, when we're going off a 15-minute zone, I don't really want the lower time frame noise, you know what I mean? Got in the 15-minute break of candle, which is unusual for me, but worked out good. So I've actually been back testing that all weekend, and I hope I can get some more 15-minute trades out for you guys. I hate how long they are, but when they're as strong as they are, I'm willing to make that sacrifice. Alright, I think that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you made it this far. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, more content like this on the way. Let's hope I can get fucking funded. Not anytime soon, but it's on the agenda. See you later, guys. Peace. Oh, it's so cringe!